Welcome to this custom Craftsman home in Hedges Estates, a sought-after Tualatin neighborhood. It's ideally located near the popular Iback Park, great schools, and walking trails. This home of more than 3,700 square feet offers a fantastic covered outdoor living space with a stone fireplace. Head inside and discover a gorgeous traditional floor plan with high ceilings, walls of windows, and an inviting gas fireplace. The gourmet kitchen features granite, an eating bar, updated stainless steel appliances, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. French doors open to the formal dining room. And you'll love the main floor bedroom, privately located. Plus a full bath. The outdoor living setup is the perfect extension of the home with a built-in barbecue, sink, fridge, and built-in speakers. Upstairs, double doors open to the generous primary suite with vaulted ceilings. And a relaxing bath with a dual sink vanity, soaking tub, and a large custom walk-in closet. The huge bonus room is ready for game or movie night. Plus, you'll find 3 more bedrooms and another full bath on this upper level. You also have plenty of room for your garden with fresh landscaping, and it's wired for a hot tub. A gorgeous home offering a wonderful Northwest lifestyle in a prime location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.